Made in the USA. UL listed, weatherproof. Die-cast aluminum alloy, durable powder coat finish, corrosion resistant. Easy to install. Greenfields has been established since 1981 and has grown to become one of the leading manufacturers and retailers of niche Middle Eastern products and spices. Greenfield, RB25WS, 4-in round weatherproof electrical outlet box with 5 half-in holes, white, made in the USA by Greenfield Industries Incorporated, Freeport, New York. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it's meant to do. I use this to mount an outdoor security camera / floodlight about the garage. It comes with 5 holes so you can choose which one you need for your application, and 4 plugs for the holes you don't use. If you're using it in a wet environment, you need to seal the plugs with silicone compound, so make sure you have some on hand.